Turn my headphones up. Nothing gonna stop me now. Nah, baby.
Nas.
I'm here now.
Brain power.
We here. It's your world.
Yo.
Yeah.
Dit is voor al mijn pieps en fans en hersenders die verder kijken dan de pers. De keurde meningsvorming, de herder dit vers. Hoe heftiger de stress, des te verder de levensles zich ontwikkelt, des te verder het besef. Wat moet je zonder liefde beginnen? Misgeliefde beminnend in diepste van binnen. Met om in liefde voorzinnen. Vertaal mijn tranen in het leven, in lyrics zwevend. Woorden banen zich snelwegen in de geest met lanen en stegen. En binnenin houdt mijn hart zo'n weg naar mijn vingers. Kan het niet echt te verzinnen. Hand op mijn pen en mijn tekst kan beginnen. Sirene ween het zwaar en naar mijn brain. Van jarenlange vreemde eend tot een maand op nummer 1. En flashbacks van mijn jongenskamer, jaren alleen. De dood van geliefde en viel met tranen ineen. Je breekt daar, wat wou je nou? Als je verder gaat en denkt, hou jij van jou? Als je nergens staat en weg met lege praat. Ga niet voor geld op de pegels, ben me bewust van deze verses. Dus benut elke regel, je hoort de brain omdat je puur wou. Voor iedereen van Nederland tot Kaapverde, Aruba, Bonaire, Curaçao, Suriname, Turkije, Bahamen, Blijen, Marokko tot Vlaanderen, Afrika tot Aziatische wijken, Zuid-Amerika, Europa, USA, wereldwijd. Mijn beeld blijkt één vibe naast een brain op één mic.
One mic.
Kijk en luister.
All I need is one mic. All I need is one mic.
Kijk en luister.
All I need.
Good evening.
All I need is one mic.
Today, our fellow citizens, our way of life,
All I need is
our very
one cup,
freedom
one
came
page,
under
one
attack
pen, one prayer.
in a series
Tell
of deliberate
God, forgive me
and
for
deadly
one sin. Matter of
terrorist
fact, maybe
acts.
more than one. Look back
The victims
at all the
were
hatred
in
against
airplanes,
me. Touch all of them.
were in their
Jesus
offices,
died at age 33.
secretaries,
32
businessmen and women,
16 apiece,
military and
that's 32,
federal
which means
workers,
one of my thuns was
moms
over
and dads,
17, 27 hit
friends
you,
and neighbors.
6 went into you. Everybody
Thousands
gotta
of
die
lives were
sometime.
suddenly
Hope and
ended by
funeral.
evil,
Never get caught up. Pain to go
despicable
through the
acts of
innocent.
terror.
Nothing is fair. Brothers roll up.
The pictures
From
of
wheelchairs, my
airplanes
heart is
flying
racing.
into buildings,
Tasting revenge in the air. I
fires
let this all
burning,
slide for too many years.
huge
Too many
structures
times now. I'm
collapsing,
strapped with a couple of
have filled us
too
with
many.
disbelief,
If that people really with me, get busy.
terrible
Load up the
sadness,
do more than just hold it, explode
quiet,
until you empty. There's
unyielding
nothing in
anger.
our way. They bust, we bust. They rush, we
These
rush.
acts of mass
Fly and
murder
feel it.
were
I feel it in my gut
intended to
that we take these
chaos
dudes to
and
war.
retreat.
Lie them down cause we stronger now.
they
My
have
people's the time is now.
Our country is strong. A great people has been moved to defend a great nation. Terrorist attacks can shake the foundations of our biggest buildings, but they cannot touch the foundation of America. These acts shatter steel, but they cannot dent the steel of American resolve. America was targeted for attack because we're the brightest beacon for freedom and opportunity in the world. And no one will keep that light from shining. Today our nation saw evil, the very worst of human nature, and we responded with the best of America. With the daring of our rescue workers, with the caring of for strangers and neighbors who came to their blood, and helping any way they could. Immediately following the first attack, I implemented our government's emergency response plan. Our military is powerful. Our emergency teams were working in New York City, Washington, D.C. to help with local rescue efforts. Our first priority is to help those who have been to take every precaution to protect our citizens at home and around the world from further attacks. The functions of our government continue without interruption. Federal agencies in Washington, which had to be evacuated today, are reopening for essential personnel tonight and will be open for business tomorrow. Our financial institutions
all I need is one life, one try, one breath, one man. What I stand for speaks for itself. They don't understand and want to see me on top. Too egotistical, talking all that slick stuff while my name is biblical.
I directed the full resources of our
Enemies
intelligence and
move
law
on you only if they know what your weaknesses I have. Not too late, I'm mad, young, I'm laughing. Cause I'm a cool brother, thought I wouldn't have that ass done.
We will make no
brothers, what you call an infinite brawl, the terms souls clashing. War gets deep, some beef is everlasting, complete with thick scars. Brothers like each other up in prison yards. Drama, when it's start, you know the block was ill as a youngster. Every night
and on behalf of the American people, I thank the many world leaders who have called to offer their condolences and assistance. America and our friends and allies join with all those who want peace and security in the world, and we stand together to win the war against terrorism. Tonight I ask for your prayers prayers
Telling police how
for
can
all
the
those who
kingpins
grieve.
will. This is crazy. I'm on the right
For the
track.
children
I'm
whose
finally
worlds have been
found. Doing
shattered.
some soul searching. The time is
For all
now.
whose sense of safety and security has been threatened. And I pray they will be comforted by a power greater than any of us, spoken through the ages in Psalm 23. Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I fear no evil, for you are with me. This is a day when all Americans from every walk of life unite in our resolve for justice and peace. America has stood down enemies before, and we will do so this time. None of us will ever forget this day, yet we go forward to defend freedom and all that is good and just in our world. Thank you. Good night, and God bless America.
Good evening. Tonight, I can report to the American people and to the world that the United States has conducted an operation that killed Osama bin Laden, the leader of Al-Qaeda, and a terrorist who's responsible for the murder of thousands of innocent men, women, and children. It was nearly 10 years ago that a bright September day was darkened by the worst attack on the American people in our history. The images of 9/11 are seared into our national memory. Hijacked planes cutting through a cloudless September sky, the Twin Towers collapsing to the ground, black smoke billowing up from the Pentagon, the wreckage of Flight 93 in Shanksville, Pennsylvania, where the actions of heroic citizens saved even more heartbreak and destruction. And yet we know that the worst images are those that were unseen to the world. The empty seat at the dinner table, children who were forced to grow up without their mother or their father, parents who would never know the feeling of their child's embrace, nearly 3,000 citizens taken from us, leaving a gaping hole in our hearts. On September 11th, 2001, in our time of grief, the American people came together. We offered our neighbors a hand, and we offered the wounded our blood. We reaffirmed our ties to each other and our love of community,